Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ, and our fluffy little guy Yoda. We've been already working on him. And today we're showing you the Homika dog brush vacuum nail trimmer, which is here somewhere, and hair clipper kit. And you have different brushes like this one. It's a little softer and you do it on them.
That's kind of more for
furniture and clothing.
Yeah.
This is like a lint brush with that. There's another one probably for corners. And then there's this guy here, which as you push down on the dog, you push this in.
No, you
Yeah, you do it before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just push the button.
Push the back, okay? And it's a brush like that, and as it goes like that. And then what you do, after you get it, you go like this, and it releases and sucks the fur in, okay? And then this one does the exact same thing. It's got a little brush out. You go like that, and it clears it and sucks it off into here. As you can see, it's clean. We got our other dumb dog, Leia, barking. I don't see the nail clippers thing. I'll show you.
Here's a nail attachment right there.
Where? In here? There?
Yeah.
And that attaches to this?
Yeah.
Okay, this attached to that. I'll show you that in a minute. But this was how much?
$89.99.
$89.99 on the Amazon. Had a lot. How many reviews? 700?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, we're going to show you how this goes. You turn it on. They're super powered. Okay, we're going to go with the smallest at first.
I do always do the
strongest?
Yeah.
Let's see if this works first. Yoda is not a big fan of this, so you will see some lightly teeth, and yeah, now he's yawning, but he's not the biggest fan. But as you can see, look, see these? These are just little babies that he drops all day, and he was looking worse. Now watch this. Boop. Done, okay? And he's not a big fan, but you can see he looks really beautiful and clean there, because we've already got him some. Filled one of these a few minutes ago. But he gets nasty, like his little animals are all over the house. We have this fake wood flooring, but it, and some hardwoods in the rest of the house. And man, his little babies are everywhere. We have to vacuum like 3 times a day. It's a little ridiculous because summertime and he is just boom. Look at, show him that. Look at that thing. Watch, it's just whoop, done. It's so easy to use. If your dogs aren't a butthole, you should be okay. Our Yoda is kind of a butthole with this stuff, but he's doing really good with it. It's not too bad. So far, this we got, what, yesterday?
The day before.
2 days ago. And the kids already did like an hour of them and cleaned them, and he's still a total fluffy mess. He's like, when you hug it, what? Look, see this? Showing me.
Oh, there's stuff on his back.
Yeah, but just look, watch this. This is what this dude is like. So you want to hug him and love him, but when it gets to the time where it's warm and he decides that he's shedding, which there's been a lot lately, you're like, dude, I don't want to hug you. And he's like, Mom, please hug me. Look at his face. Look how cute he is. He's all sad because he doesn't get enough loving because, like, you get covered in his stuff and it's nasty, like on your face, sticking to you. Like, now I need a shower because I'm putting my handsome little dude. So, it's pretty amazing. As you can see here, it's already pretty
clear,
cool.
So you can
see how full it gets. I'm being gentle. How long did it take? About 5 minutes of real more than what I'm doing?
Yeah.
And it filled it?
It's 1.5 liters.
1.5 liters. Can I get 1.5 liters of Furla? Like 1 liter of Furla? But this dude is a mess. Our other dog, Leia, is short hair, and she lets us do this. She kind of likes it. And she, it actually gets her furs off too. She don't get those because she gets them kind of stab you. They get in you. They're short. Look at that. Let's see it, Lenny. Hair be gone. So that's it. It's pretty strong. Like I said, there's this attachment. I'll show you that real quick how it works. You don't like it?
I don't like it.
Kylie didn't know, right?
No, she used that one.
That one too? Well, let's try this out for a minute so everybody can see how it works too. Okay, so boom.
You don't need to. Yeah.
I know.
The button
Get used to
does
this.
it.
Okay, clip it in, and then you go like this. Yeah, this is kind of the brushes that he doesn't really like.
Yeah.
He hates these kind of brushes. They kind of.
It's too big.
Well, they poke as they rub. They kind of really like. You see, they're catching him.
Not
Yeah,
doing
see,
that.
he's like, I'm done. I'm done. See, but look, Few times? Okay, got it. Okay, so he's not a fan of this brush. Yours may not as well. We got Leia out here throwing a hissy fit. Here is the hair cutter, and it can attach as well. See, so it's battery. Hold up. We're not going to use it on him, but I just want to show you how. Here, actually, I'll do one little spot where he's too fluffy. Ready?
It has different length attachments.
In order to help, I turn the vacuum on, right?
Yeah.
Yep, Matt. Say. Okay, I'm gonna do one another stupid. Ready? Gone. See that? Boom. It sucks it in like a Flowbee. Pulls that bad boy in, gets it.
We reach back and let her in.
Oh. Everybody say hi to Dum Dum. Back up, say hi. Yep, there she goes. Okay. So there's that, and there's different length attachments for the hair cutting. Okay. And here is the nail trimmer. Nah.
Nope.
You better stay, boy. Stay right there.
No, wasn't it a zipper bag?
What?
No, it didn't have a ziplock. It had a zipper on
No, it
top.
doesn't.
Yes, it does.
That is not a zipper. What are you talking about?
Oh.
Heat
Okay.
sealed. Don't raise up off me. Alright, y'all. This thing so far, amazing. On the long term, but see, it comes right here, you can tell. So it's gonna lock, see it? Lock, unlock, turn. Take this guy. Make sure you have it the right way. I don't know. Yep, that's the right way. There's a line to let you know. Okay? And it's on. Not very powerful. Let's try it out a little bit. He does not like the nail things. Stop. Stop. Nail a little bit. Yeah, he's grinding a little. Not real comfortable doing this right now because he is not happy with it.
That sounds
It
gross.
does sound gross. But it's nice, instead of clipping, you can slowly grind it down. And it's got like this, so you can get the top, see? You can get a little more like that. It goes pretty good, as you can see. But I'm not going to do a whole lot of time on that one. It looks like it'd take a little time to do it. He's not a big... Oh, makes sense if I unlock the back.
The other thing's a nail hair trimmer.
Is there a part on here?
Yeah, there's another attachment in there.
Is there? Alright, let's see what this other attachment is.
That's to trim the fur
A
around
little
this
fur.
pads.
Yeah, a little mini, basically. Or, you know yourself. You know, you got to... Okay, get this bad boy right here. Find that line. Lock. Turn it on. Watch this.
It's for his paws.
Hold up. Let's hope I don't cut myself, but... Zing, zing, zing. Did I get my sideburn a little?
I can't
Can't
tell.
tell. I'm not going to do a lot because I'm not looking in the mirror. I'll be like, ah. Here. Some of them are. I like getting this stuff look.
We're getting this paw.
Actually, pretty good. Look at that. Goes right through.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you're fine, buddy. And see, it just pulls the hair in, and you go under it. I'm sorry.
Paws being touched.
Yeah, I'll get this one. Okay.
Nope,
okay.
he doesn't like
Nope.
it.
He's like, you are not doing this to me. I'm being amazing. All right, y'all. Here's the different attachments. Lengths for the cutter. Here is the charger for this part right here. It needs to be charged, and it is right there on the side.
Oh.
Okay. But I'm going to go back to this because this is what he does not mind. Well, actually, you know what? I'm going to show you the lint brush.
That's not for dogs, that's for stuff.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Watch. See me? Oh, you're fine. I'm barely doing. Look at that.
Yeah.
Pretty good, right?
Better than a lint roller.
What?
It's better than a lint roller.
Yeah. We're gonna put like no more lint. I bet it works even that. Yeah, it's looking for him. But
Yeah.
let's not do that because of you. He's like, I'm running. I'm running. All right, and then we have the thing, which I guess is just couches or something,
Yeah.
wherever. But we're just gonna keep using this guy right here. Go with that. If you got any questions, let below. I'll try to tell you what I know, but this is where we are. And oh, if you guys haven't noticed, look at that. That is a lot of fuzz gone. That's a whole Yoda baby. Okay? See it? It's got a HEPA filter in it. right here. See the HEPA filter? There you go. Doesn't that connect? Does it just kind of go in like that? Okay. Here's a separate filter.
It's a second.
For there for replacement. Yep. See? Ooh, look how dirty it is already.
Yeah.
I'm just a little used to this dirty boy. That's right. That's it. Oh my God, Yoda, you were gross. You were gross. That's it. Any questions? You know, ask below. Please like, subscribe to help this baby Yoda be more handsome. Can't get any more handsome than that, can you, Yoda?
You're so cute.
So cute. Oh, so cute. Oh, he would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. If you really like it, and let me know. Maybe I'll make some videos of him sometime. We don't make many of him because his favorite thing to do is loaf. But he's still very handsome. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Oh, look at that fur. So please like, subscribe. It really helps during these times. As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day. Homika. It's an Amazon. I will put a link below. That is my creator code. Whatever. Amazon affiliate. Help me. Maybe I'll get $1 or something. That would be awesome. Really help us out a lot. I would love it. And this thing works really good. It's a lot cheaper than the ones I saw on TikTok that were like $200. And like, hey, buy this, a sponsored. It's 200 bucks. This bad boy is like not too bad. That's it. Is that it? That's everything? I cover everything? All right, you want to see Leia do it real quick, y'all? Come here, Leia. Come here, boo-boo. Come in here. Yoda, we're going to get you. You ain't running away. Look at the Leia.
Come here.
Look at her. She's like, it's okay. I love it. I love it.
She just loves the attention.
She just loves the... She loves brutal rubbing. This kind of stuff. She's like, I don't want you to pet me soft or I will be upset, but if you abuse me, I'm in. I'm in, right? Who's that pretty girl? Not you? Okay. Ooh. Why were you drooling? Alright, she's gone too. Alright, that's the whole video. Check the description below. Buy one of these if you want to. Get one. Buy it from my link. Costs the exact same as everywhere else, but I get $1. Okay, I may not get $1. I don't know. I might get like 20 cents. Please help me, help you, help me. Bye-bye.